you doing? So today we've got a double combo. You're going to get 2 for 1 in this video. We've got some salmon steaks which I've spiced up, pan fried, really simple and beautiful. And to accompany that, we've got this macaroni with shrimps and cream. Both of them are super easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is 4 salmon steaks. Skin is on. We're simply going to give them a nice little bit of seasoning and then pan fry them. So what I like to do is get them into a bowl. I've got a glove on here, and I like to get our seasoning in, and I can kind of give it a nice little mix, you know, so it's really nicely evenly coated. Right, salt and pepper. Got about a teaspoon each. In that goes. Now you can season this however you want with whatever spices and herbs you like. Today I'm going to go for a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder and oregano. And to that I've got some olive oil here. Just going to get a bit of olive oil in there. That sort of just brings it together and helps the seasoning stay on the fish. So very simply I'm going to go in with my hand, give these a little mix around so we get a nice coating, and then we're off to the cooker. Very, very easy this one today, but delicious. So I've got a pan there, dry pan, medium heat. We're going to pick our fish up and drop it in. No need to add any oil, of course, because we've got oil on the fish already. And then any little sort of excess seasoned oil goes in. These are quite thick, I think. Let's have a look so I can show you. Can you see them? They're that sort of thickness. So decent sizes. Medium heat. I'm going to go for these ones about 7 or 8 minutes, and I'm going to be turning them maybe 4 times or something, 4 or 5 times. So simple. And they're looking absolutely beautiful. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the heat up to maximum. I've got some lemon juice here. I'm going to pour that in. And we're just going to give it a real blast with that lemon for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we've done it. Okay, off goes the heat. What I'm going to do now is get them on a plate. And I'm now going to make some macaroni with shrimps and cream to go with that beautiful stuff. Okay, let's do this. It's really easy, this bit. So I've got some pasta cooked. I've got some small little macaroni there, but you could be using linguine or fettuccine, any pasta you like actually. So get your pasta cooked. Here I've got some shrimps, cooking shrimps. These were frozen. There's 1 kg or 2.2 pound. But once you kind of rinse them off in cold water, that weight's probably half. It's like 500 grams now to, which is, just over a pound. They come in a kind of a seal of ice. It's called IQF, which means instant quick frozen, by the way. So yeah, once you get them washed off and get that ice off, you've reduced it right down. 200 ml of cream. Now you can use thick cream or runny cream. It's up to you. You no need to email me. I'll get loads of emails about this. The cream won't make a difference. 1 onion. It's about a cup there, sliced. Tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to have this done in no time, and it's going to go really well with that salmon. So I've got a little pan or wok here. I've got some olive oil in there. Medium heat we're on. I've just put that on. So in goes the onion and the garlic. And I'm going to drop some black pepper in there. Nice couple of big pinches. A little bit of salt. Medium heat, about 3 minutes. We're well on our way with this. Fabulous. Okay, now we're going to drop in the prawns or shrimps, whatever you call them. And again, we're going to go just for another 3 or 4 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And there you go, you can see that the shrimps have reduced in size, you know, they've kind of shriveled up a little bit, and we've got some moisture there, which we actually want. Right, in goes that cream, 200 ml of cream, thick or thin, will make no difference. Let's give that a stir. I've got some flat leaf parsley here that I've chopped, that's going to go in. Or you could use basil or something like that, or basil, as many of you guys call it. Then we're going to drop in the cooked pasta, the macaroni. And I like this macaroni because it's, you know, fairly similar shape and size to the shrimps. We've done it. Just let this go now on the medium heat for about 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. And that's done. Super easy, creamy shrimp pasta to go with that lovely plate of that pan-fried salmon. You lucky people. Okay, and there you go. Look at that beautiful, lovely little combo that is. So we've got our lovely salmon there and our creamy shrimps with macaroni. I really like that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.